कहाँ गए सब?
डॉक्टर साहिबा, तुम्हारे नहाने के लिए नीम का एंटीसेप्टिक पानी बना रही हूँ।
और हमने बनाया है अपनी सुपर मॉम के लिए सुपर इम्यूनिटी वाला
हल्दी दूध।
अब ये कुदरती जम प्रोटेक्टर्स हैं नए लाइफबॉय नीम और लाइफबॉय हल्दी में, जो लड़े वायरस और दूसरे जरासीम से। नया लाइफबॉय नीम और लाइफबॉय हल्दी।
Hello, I'm Mr. Trady, and today we are going to talk about new financial opportunities on an excellent platform. Be no more. Interesting fact, people are 80% water. Just like most trading videos, we have a different approach. We are now going to tell you about the main advantages of this platform and explain what makes trading so cool. So I'm just sitting here learning how to get started trading. Just kidding. I did that a long time ago. After getting $1,000 in a demo account, I was able to work out my trading strategy perfectly. It's so interesting to follow the chart. And it turns out it's not only possible on the adaptive web version of this platform. You can do it on the easy-to-use mobile app too. Just great. I won't tell you where I spend my funds, of course, but that is nearly as important as being able to become a VIP client of Binomo. But that's a whole other story. Binomo is a simple interface, instant goods, a huge range of assets, and much more. You still here? Try it. And yes, Binomo is your honest trading partner.